So guys, we're going to make a salsa to go with your burgers that you'd made in a couple of weeks before. Yeah, I hope you enjoy this recipe. So let's get cooking. So you need a chopping board and a knife. So you'll need 2 tomatoes, 2 chilies, 3 cloves of garlic, onion, and some cumin. You also need salt and pepper and some water. Okay, let's get making. Chop both ends off the chili now you've charred them both. I do hope that you enjoyed making that salsa. I certainly did enjoy making the salsa. It was delicious. And also, I hope that you have a very good Christmas and a Happy New Year. So I hope that you do have a good time with your family. And remember, Jesus is the gift who has came into the world to save us from our sins. And so this Christmas, remember the actual true meaning of Christmas. And don't let it get lost in all of the fancy stuff that's going around, like the food and all sorts of things. Remember Jesus. Remember what he came to do. Remember that he came for you and for me so that we could be saved. So, take care of yourselves, wash your hands, wear your mask, and keep safe.